Mickey right there. Show mommy on the back. Show the mommy the Toodles.
Wow, there's Toodles.
You want to open it? Daddy will just get it started. Oh, you did it. There you go. Pull. That's right.
What's this?
Look at the front. Whoa.
He's making chemistry.
He is.
That's a present. He's making that chemistry. Look right here.
Look at that. What does it say?
It says making the chemistry and what we were the chemistry and me.
Good job. That's what it says.
Daddy reads Mickey says Mickey power the baby Kim says stop and it says Mickey the bird make the chemistry. We make tower to watch this chemistry.
It says, "'Tis the season for wishing you a joyous Christmas. Your friend at Walt's World Vacation."
It says the chemistry
It says something about Mickey and the Christmas tree, doesn't it?
The chemistry says the bird says I love you.
I love you.
Oh, it says, "I love you."
It does. And see you soon. Good job. Can you say thank you?
Thank you, the chemistry. That's